Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Dynamite B-side. Okay, B-side. What could be B-side? Maybe it is another version of Dynamite, or because there was two versions of Boy with Love, one was the army version, one was Halsey one. So I'm a little interested to what this is. I was waiting for this too. In 24th it was written we're getting beside. Everybody was curious, so let's see what it actually is. Okay, logo. Oh, right off the bat, they didn't have any going to that moment or what. It's JK and he's getting up. That's okay. It's the same song though. Yeah, obviously it's going to be. Okay, he's not actually singing this, but he's like us listening to it. What is this about? It is the same room in which they shooted that. Okay. Okay, he's grooving to the music like we do. Oh my god. I think it's behind the scenes of that song. Is that it? Okay. It's so fun. Okay, he's like jamming randomly and then dancing. I think this scene was also in the MV before, but it was in the later part. I think it's their whole scene. Okay. Does this mean it is bloopers or something for beside blooper? Let's see. Did Army would get ding dong in that because JK and that references. I didn't get that at that time. I was too into that, but now it's so fun that I'm able to get that. Okay. Oh yeah, it is that scene which was in the end. I think it's the whole scene which they shot in one place only. Okay, but this is much more fun. Okay. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Oh my god, this is so cute. This is the cutest thing. Is this the cute version or something? Because I think it is. Beach Chang like money. Okay. He's oh my god, J-Hope is going like that. I mean, okay, this is getting so much fun. Okay, more. Yeah, it's blooper only. He went in and then they were like, no, you were in the wrong place. It's not there. Okay. And then he's coming again. Okay. Still, he's not looking at the camera. Now I understand. They were like, look at the camera. You have to look at the camera. Okay. Now, oh, we get to see Jin. I didn't see Jin much in the previous one. I want Jin. I mean, come on. Everyone wants more Jin. Okay, let's see. Okay, Jimin. Jimin with Close Up. I thought I was going to get more Jin, but okay. I like Jimin also, so yeah. With the Close Up. Nice. Okay, then the cut to that scene, everybody's like, oh, okay. Okay, I'm going to be in the zone now. Let's see. This is much more fun than the other song. The previous one. The actual MV. Okay. Okay. And then his scenes. Okay. His scenes are here. Okay. Okay, nice. Move up the wall. Okay. The whole scene, just as I said, the whole scene they shot in the same time, right? And then they used it in MV. They cut shot it. and we are getting the whole backstory of it. I said they would have lots of fun when they shoot this song, and I am able to see the behind the scene with the song, so it's nice. Oh, this is so much fun. I mean, Sugar and Namjoon together, just grooving to the song in the court. I'm liking that. Is he going to play basketball also, since it's blooper only? Is he? Let's see. I want to see him do that. Okay, I got it. I got that. Okay, nice. Okay, that's sweet as honey. Okay. I thought that he was going to get that one also, because he plays basketball a lot. See, so I was like, he's going to get that one also, the basketball. That would have been cool, but this is much more fun, I guess. Okay, that's sweet as honey. Now that's like Jimin doing that with the card. They're having so much fun, and then Namjoon and is dancing like that at the court. Everybody's at the court and having fun. Nice. Jimin fell. He was doing that pirouette thing and then he just fell. Okay. Jimin can be really clumsy. You can see that when he's on the chair. Him in chairs. You can see that. Okay, let's see. Them doing random guitar movements and doing that is that was a disco thing, okay? Everybody would, this is so fun, yeah. Now I think it's Namjoon and J-Hope. Yeah. Wait. No, it's Jane, okay? It was Jane and they were also doing that pyramid. Okay, I love it. They're just doing random things. I mean, he's doing that and laughing and having fun. My God, I'm really happy to see this behind the scenes with the song. It's much more fun to see. Oh God, and the disco. Yeah, they did do disco though. We got the different camera angle with Jin looking there, okay? And he's like, Sugar's like, come. Okay, you have to shoot the next scene. Something like that. Them having so much fun. I mean, Jin doing that. I'm seeing lots of Jin here. I wanted to see more of him in the MV, but in this he's having so much fun. Okay, nice. Okay. Why can't they see these scenes in that? I mean, they should not have cut it off. This is so fun. Jin, more of Jin we see in this. Okay. Okay, they did that movie. They were like just goofing off. Let's do that. Okay, and they didn't get the cue. Jimin and JK, they were not able to do that. Okay, like let it be. Okay, we are gonna get some dancing from J-Hope, I guess. This is the most bop song I have. I mean, I was bopping to the EDM mix of this and acoustic version. My God, both of those versions I loved. And then I got B-side also, which was like big bonus. So let's see more. I think it's Sugar now. Look at Sugar's expression is doing that. Like, don't make me dance at this time. Let's dance anyway, okay? Nice, okay. This is that disco light scene. And I think Jimin is in the center here, okay? Let's see why. I saw Jin before. Oh my God, really Jimin, he has to be so cute. I mean, doing that, really? This is much more fun. I mean, the way they are behaving. Obviously, it is not the main MV, but still, this I'm liking this. I'm liking this more. Okay, because they are so at ease and chaotic like they are normally. Oh, that song when it went there. It at that time it was that scene in which they had those colored bombs going off in the background, and here they are just dancing in the disco light. Okay, and Jimin is doing so well, man. Like he dances so well. And Jin is coming back. Yeah, we needed him in the middle of this because we saw that in MV. It was loved it. I loved it. Oh my God! Did you guys see that? Jin. Okay. Let's see more. There's lots of cutscenes we are seeing from the background of this. It's all obviously it's from the behind the scenes of it, which was not. Some of it was in the MV, some of it was not. But this is so much fun. They always have such fun, and we are able to see this now. And with the song in the background, it is making me having much more fun. Jin. It's up like dynamite. They did such fun poses when they do this light it up thing, really. I just love this part only in which they light it up like dynamite. And they do different poses, which was in this also it's there. Okay, nice. Okay, in the end is at that end with is like, let's wear the glasses, and in this one is like, see me. Okay. Ah, that was nice. Okay, they're doing that end scene. Hey, he missed it. Okay, it is bloopers obviously. So we. Oh, yeah, Namjoon was wrong in this time. They did it right. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 in the background. We're able to hear that. So it was a blooper reel with the song, and lots of different behind the scene we were not able to see in MV was shown here. Lots of Jin we got, and it was really fun. Okay, this song is like, it is dynamite, and it has broken various records right now with 100 millions. You guys know, in within 24 hours. 101 point something, something like that. This is so well good, a good song, Bob song, and we got to see the behind the scene, and this was hilarious and much more joyful than the actual MV. But I loved this also. So if you like my reaction, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section. With